Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, students. Hope you all are fine and safe at your homes. Welcome to the computer class of grade 3. I'm your teacher, Fazal Ikram Zaid, and we have finished our unit number 1, operating system. And today we will be starting the question answers of this unit. So before we move on for today's lesson, let's quickly review that by the end of today's lesson, what my children will be learning. You people will be learning today how to make a term deck, because in the start of the session, we need to put a term tag that which term you are starting with. And before the start of every unit, you need to add a title pages. So with the sample term tags and title pages, we will be discussing about them. Next to that, in the question answers, we will be discussing the functions of the start menu pane, that how it works and what does it have. And we will be differentiating between hardware and software. And last but not the least, we will be revising about the operating system. So now we move on towards the today's task. What we have over here, we have book page number 8. Yes, we have today's task question answers from book page number 8. The book page number 8, descriptive type questions. Yes, these are the question answers, part A, B, and C. And remember, my students, that it is a notebook work. Okay, this is a notebook work. You have to write these question answers in your notebook. But before we go towards the question answers, we need to check out the term tag. We will be discussing term tag. I have added here 2 samples for you. This way, you can decode your first page of your notebook by adding some kind of drawings you like to add, and you need to write first term 2021-22. You can write it with colorful pencils and decode the term tag. And as this is a computer notebook, you can draw a computer as well. It's your choice that how it is easy for you and how you like to work with that. Another sample over here, simply you can draw some drawings on your page, and with colorful pencils and markers, you can write first term 2021 and 22. So that will be your term tag. Once you are done with that one, as we are starting a new unit in your notebook, so you need to prepare a title page for that one. And this is a sample title page. You can draw any kind of drawing or add any border as well. And before starting any of the unit, you need to write the unit number, but which unit number is it? And once you are done with that, you need to write the unit name as well, as this is operating system. And if you like, you can draw only a computer as well, because this operating system Windows we are going to discuss in this lesson. Now our title page is ready as well. We can move on to our question answers. Here I have added a sample notebook, and my children are going to start the notebook work today. So quickly revise that one, as we know that these are descriptive type questions from the book page number 8. On your notebook, whenever you are working, you need to add the date and the day on which you are working, as this is the April 18th 2021 work. So you need to put the date over here and the day Sunday that will be. So you need to add the day as well. In the first line, you need to put the unit details, like it is an unit number 1, operating system, the name of the unit, so that whenever you open your notebook and check out your question answers, it will be clear to you that which question answers they are. And next to it, the details about the question answers which we are going to do. These are descriptive type questions. Now we move on towards our question for today. Remember, my children, on every of your page, you must write the day and date and the details about your unit. It will be helpful for you as well. This will be the format we will be following throughout the year, inshallah. So the question part A is, what does the left pane of the start menu show? Now we need to revise in our mind about the start menu and what does it show. But yes, I can show you over here before writing about this answer. Here you can see this is a start menu pane when you click on your start button. You can see it is divided into two parts and details of the programs are coming over here. The last program which I have opened, like I had opened the calculator, I had opened the paint magnifier. So the details of the programs which I last opened on computer, it is showing me that one. So when we open the start menu pane, it gives us the details of the recently opened programs. So we now know the answer. Then the answer for part A will be the left pane of the start menu shows the recently. Here recently means the last thing you have done, the last program you have opened. Recently opened programs. Program the softwares you used on your computer. Now we are done with our question number A part answer. Now we move on to our part B. Again, don't forget the writing format, the question unit name format as well, my dear children. The question we have B part. What is the difference between the hardware and the software? Before we go on for the answer, we need to check out the examples of our hardware and software. And here we know that hardware are tangible, whereas the softwares are intangible. And we can see, hold, and feel them, like the examples are monitor, mouse, and keyboard. They are the examples of your hardware devices. And when you come towards the software examples, the iPad softwares, Macintosh, Windows, and the software in your mobile. Your games, you cannot feel them. You cannot touch them. You just play them. You can see them only. So they are intangible. Now we can discuss the answer for part B. You need to draw a table like this. There will be 2 columns and 3 rows. The heading of first column will be hardware. And the second column heading will be software, because here you will be giving the details about the software, and below this hardware you will be writing about the details of hardware. The first point what you will write will be hardware is tangible. We just checked it out in the previous examples. Whereas when we come towards the software is intangible. It is intangible. Now we come towards our second differentiation. That is, you can feel, see, and touch hardware. We can feel, see, and touch the hardware. Like you can hold a mouse, you can hold a keyboard. They are the examples of your hardware. But when we come towards the software, you cannot feel, see, or touch the software. You cannot hold them in your hand. So the software Windows operating system in the computer, how it is working, we cannot see that one. So I hope my children will be writing their work neatly on their notebooks. And now we are done with this part B as well. Now we move on towards our part C. So the part C question is, how does an operating system help the computer to function? How does it help? We know it works as a translator. In simple words, if we discuss that, it helps the computer to work with other softwares. So an operating system, the answer for part C will be, an operating system is a program that helps the hardware to work with other computer softwares. Like you want to draw something, if you want to paint something in computers, to use that software, operating system like Windows help you to work, draw, calculate, and paint in your computer. Now with this, we have come towards today's work. It's time for Google Classroom quiz. Now you have to open your Google Classroom and finish your quiz. The questions are related to today's work we just discussed. Best of luck to you, my dear children, for the quiz. And still, if you have some confusion, we can discuss it later on as well. Your teacher is here to guide you all. Before we end this lesson, let's quickly summarize that what we have learned today. We learned how to make term tag and title pages. We have also learned the functions about the start menu pane, that what it is having and what it shows. And we have also differentiated between hardware and software, that how they are different from each other. And we have also revised about the operating system, that how it works with other softwares on the computer like Windows, with Microsoft Word, with Paint and Tux Paint, etc. So that's all for today, my children. Hope to see you all inshallah in the next class. Don't forget to finish your work in your notebooks. Still, if you have some query, I am here to guide you all. Take care. Allah Hafiz, my children.